So you're thinking about starting a collection, huh? Let me give you 10. 10 joints I have in my collection that I think are essential. Stay tuned. What's good, party people? It's your boy Court. Just another fragrance reviewer should be sprinkling across the screen as we speak. Before we get into some business, let's get into some business. Follow me on my things at CourtMC on Instagram and Twitter. The Real JAFR on TikTok. I keep telling y'all to follow me on TikTok, but I don't post on TikTok. I need to fix that, don't I? Help me out. Follow you, boy. Anyway, like I said in the beginning, my name is Court. It's kind of in the title. We review fragrances here, but we also talk about how to buy, where to buy, what not to buy, what not to spend, wash your ass, brush your teeth, wear clean clothes, because it's a full package, baby. If you're here for the first time, welcome. You can do me a favor, man. You see that button down there is red. Yeah, go ahead and hit that joint, turn it gray, hit the bell, so you know when I post videos like this, especially if you do. So I got a comment on one of my Scent of the Day videos. I believe the kid's name is Bugsy IG. Could be messing that up, man. Let me know if I messed up your name or whatnot, man. But Bugsy IG asked, were there any fragrances that I suggested or recommended for somebody starting out? Because he's new into the fragrance game, wants to get in it. And I got 10 of them. 10 of them that are in my collection right now. 5 are kind of like the starting 5. The other 5 are like, yo, if you want, pick them up, cuz. You know what I'm saying? Again, don't have to get all 10. I think it's just a great jumping off point for anybody that's looking to get a little bit more into fragcom. So let's get started. All these, by the way, are under $100, except for one. Most of them are in that $30 to $60 range. Just check before we started, or before I started this video. So first one on the list is one that y'all know that I love, absolutely love, and definitely recommend anybody having in their collection. That's YSL La Nuit de L'Homme. Can't really see the writing on the bottle. Not gonna give any notes in this video because that would make the video super long, and I don't want to keep y'all here all day. So know what this joint is. Has that cardamom in it. I love cardamom, so that's why I recommend it. You know what I'm saying? It gets kind of, you know, some bad raps in the community. Some people hate it, some people love it, but I love it. So definitely think it's one of those joints worth having in your collection. Next on the list, Versace Man on Fresh. Versace. This joint also has cardamom in it, and it actually has the notes on the back of it. That's cool. But yeah, you should definitely check this joint out. It does not say it has cardamom in it. Anyway, check this joint out. I slept on it. Sorry that I did. You can get it for like $40. Cheap joint, spray heavy, etc., etc. Definitely one you should have in your collection. That's Versace Man on Fresh. Next is a joint that I call the Swiss Army knife. Everybody should have this joint in collection. New, old, brand new to the game, been in the game for a while. If you don't have it, what are you doing? It's Burberry Touch. This, at one point in time, was my signature scent. I wore it every day. To work, outside of work, hot, cold, whatever. This joint performs. Cop it. You can get it for around 30. Trust me. That's Burberry Touch. I'm about to say Blueberry Touch. Next on the list. This joint, polarizing in the community. Some people absolutely hate it. Some people absolutely live by it. That's Armaf. Club de Nuit Intense Man. Y'all know what it is about this joint. It's their version of a Venice. It's a little bit more obnoxious than a Venice and some of the other higher quality clones out there, but for the buck, for the price, for the bang for your buck, you can't go wrong with this joint. There's other ones out there that are a little bit more cheaper, give you the same thing. Get it, you know, cop it. That's Armaf's Club de Nuit Intense. Next on the list is a joint that gets a lot of hype in the community, one of those hyped cheapies. You can find them at rack stores. You basically find this joint for under 20 bucks at Sean John, 3 a.m. This joint reminds me of Lure Homme Sport by Chanel, just a little bit more minty. That's what it is, man. But you can get it for under 20. Check it out. It's 3 a.m. Sean John. So if that was like the starting 5, the next 5 coming along are just some joints I think that you should get, just to kind of check out. Next one on the list is one that I got put on by Carlos, Brooklyn Fragrance Lover, who's no longer here with us, who actually got me interested in getting into the fragrance review game. Carlos, you are definitely missed, brother, in this Toss Man Intense. There's no fruit in this joint. There's no citrus, no nothing, man. It's just lavender, some wood, some spices. This joint is so dope, and for the price, I think I saw it was like $35. Definitely worth picking up, man. So that's Toss Man Intense. Next joint on the list is it's from Armaf. It's another joint that basically takes on another super hype, notorious, whatever you want to say, fragrance in the game, and that's the Pride of Armaf by Armaf. And this joint is basically one of their mini takes on Dior Sauvage. Dior Sauvage is one of those joints that everybody wants, you know what I'm saying, or hates, or whatever. Johnny Depp, all that good stuff. But this joint, about 25 bucks, get you close, if not right there. So it's just like it. That's the Pride of Armaf by Armaf. Next on the list is another Versace joint. It's a joint when people come to me and ask me, hey, Court, I'm looking to find another signature scent. What do you suggest? It's always this joint. It's Versace Dylan Blue. Pretty much wear this joint any occasion, date night, office, white tee out there in the sun, sweater in the winter, whatever. This joint, versatile, blue fragrance, wear it anywhere. That's Versace Dylan Blue. Next on the list is from a line that was getting super hyped about 3 years ago. You used to be able to find these joints at rack stores. I don't know if you can because I haven't really looked lately, but I'm sure you can. And that's Original Penguin, their blend line. This is iconic blend. There's an original blend and there's a premium blend in the white box that I searched for months when it was being hyped in the community, and I only found this one. I think I got it for like 20 bucks. And it's just one of these joints that you can just throw on and go. Dumb reach, don't really have to think about it, just throw it on, go on about your business. That's Original Penguin, iconic blend. I just dropped it on my foot, that's awesome. It's heavy. Next on the list, last but not least, is actually just a house I want to talk about. It's Azzaro, and it's their Wanted line. I have Wanted by Night, absolutely love it. Spicy, got the cinnamon in it, man. I think there's some toffee or something like that. Got this joint for Christmas, absolutely love it. If you're new to the game and you're younger, this may be just a tad bit mature for you. That's why I suggest you get the original Wanted. That joint, just as dope, a little bit lighter, a little bit fresher, may be better for the younger cats on there. But either way you go, get this one. You get Wanted by Night, you get the Wanted, the most Wanted. Any of those joints that came out, you can't go wrong. And that's the Azzaro Wanted line, if I can get my words together. So that's my 10. 10, got a 5 that I think are absolutely essential, and then you got 5 more that I think if you cop them, you can't go wrong. And I just wanted to do joints that were in my collection for my man Bugsy. Anyway, that's it, y'all. Short and sweet, no notes. Check it out. I think I looked for most of my pricing on fragrancenet.com, like I said, with the exception of La Nuit Delhomme. All these joints were in the $30 to $60 range, so 20 and below. And I'll link that down at the bottom, man. New video, old videos popping up somewhere in this general vicinity. Probably already did earlier, but if you haven't checked out some of the old videos, check them out. Definitely has some things for you to consider there too. Say you're new to the game, these are fairly inexpensive to get you started. And then once you're ready and you're like, I want to get into some of the niche stuff, man, decants, get your samples before you buy, and then, make the investment. That's it. That's all the advice I have for new folks in the game. Like I said, follow me on my things, man. New episode of We Ain't Found should have been up. This post is ready for you to go ahead and check out, man. Love every single one of y'all, man. I appreciate every single one of y'all. If I can get my words out today. Until the next time, man. Peace. See, this works. Of course it is.